Hello, everyone. Today we'll be reviewing the latest data from the NYPD's Compstat 2.0 website. We're going to be focusing on citywide trends, specialized units, and precinct-specific insights. As of April 2025, New York City has experienced a notable decrease in overall crime compared to the same period last year in 2024. The year-to-date data shows that all offense categories have decreased other than rape. We see here raised 24.6%, and then also other sex crimes down here, which was only a slight increase at 0.4%. Some notable improvements include murder decreasing by 29.2%, and then robbery at 20%. And we can also discuss one of the top fields or offense categories, grand larceny, also decreased at 11.9%. So when examining the transit unit, although transit units decreased by 10.9% over the last year, there were still some key takeaways that I found while looking at this data. In Manhattan South, they experienced the most transit-related incidents in New York out of all of the patrol bureaus. And then Queens North was the only bureau to increase in transit-related incidents, and they increased 20%, 20.7%. It went from 82 to 99 from 2024 to 2025. And I thought something that was notable with the Staten Island data, there was 0 incidents throughout the years. And I'm not sure if this is from, missing data or what this is related to. Lastly, when looking at citywide data, again, we see that shooting incidents decreased 18% from the year to year, and also shooting victims decreased by 18.4%. So when choosing a precinct, I focused on who had the most data. I found that the Bronx, the 44th precinct, had quite a bit. So looking at these compared to the other fields that we have already previously discussed, rape is down 40% compared to increased by 24.6% with the citywide data. Murder is consistent with 0% change and only 5 incidents total. And robbery here is down 24.8% with 41 less incidents than the year before. when compared to robbery decreasing by 20% with the citywide data. So we're seeing a little bit more here in the Bronx. And then if we scroll down, looking at the shooting victims, decreased 64% from 25 to 9 incidents. So I thought that was notable. So I'm not sure if there was some intervention there, and shooting incidents also decreased 60% and went from 15 to 6. The last field that I kind of discussed in the previous data was the other sex crimes. This has increased by 7.7% in the Bronx in the 44th precinct. So in summary, while citywide crime rates have declined, certain areas and offenses require focused attention. By leveraging data-driven strategies and community partnerships, hopefully New York can continue to enhance public safety and trust. Thank you very much.